Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-either 58 or 65 DX800. I'll put those in the description, the model numbers. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two ways to do this, either via the setup menu or via the physical buttons. I'll tell you how to do both of them in a second, but there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not responding or not connecting or not making sound, etc., you might want to do this hard reset to fix that. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want everything wiped off of this TV so you can set it up like a brand new TV coming out of the box, we can do that. So first of all, if you have access to the menu, to the screen, and it's working and everything, we can just hit the menu button on the remote and then select Setup, OK, System, then press OK, Factory Default, and then Yes to confirm. So Setup, System, Factory Default, Yes to confirm, and it will reset. Now, if you want to do it via the physical buttons, we're going to come in, we're going to find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote controller, which is just below the power button. And you're just going to simultaneously hold that volume down button on the TV and menu button on the controller for more than 5 seconds. After that, more than 5 seconds is up, you can just pull the plug on the TV and then release the buttons. Then wait a few seconds, you can plug the TV back on, back in and turn it back on, and it will automatically turn on into its factory default state.